then the last major type of solvent is CO2. And you guys have seen kind of our big CO2 machine. When you really strip it away, it's kind of basically this diagram down at the bottom. But ours is a little bit different, like our storage vessels, like the first one. But really, all you have is a compression chamber, you have your extraction vessel, and then you have your separator. And you're just pumping CO2 through. Now, under how most people do it is they do it under supercritical conditions. And what this means is it's under the right pressure and temperature that the CO2 liquid actually acts as both a gas and liquid. The problem with this is that it happens at a kind of a high temperature that really messes up terpenes and damages them. And it damages them to the extent that the terpenes don't smell right anymore. And so that's where we worked on our process of just doing subcritical. And this is the same process, but lower pressure, lower temperature, and you actually just pull off a cleaner source. And so a cleaner material. And so any time that people do supercritical extraction, there's always a dewaxing process. You know, they have to end up adding ethanol to the extract to remove other stuff. And so that to us, it's like, then why wouldn't you just do good ethanol extraction, right? So we do subcritical. And so all of our products, right, even straight from our subcritical, they are basically, there's impurities in them, right? They're about 70% THC, some terpenes, but it's about the same impurities that we're getting from our rosin, the same impurities that we're getting from our ethanol extracts. So it's good enough to go straight into a vape cart and be a really, really pure raw form. And it never touches any other solvent. And after the purging of the CO2 and a little bit of water removal, it's ready for sell, ready for the consumer.
And no additional carrier oils added to that as well?
No. But, and that's where, later we can talk about our extracts. I just want to put all of this in context of all the extracts kind of out there. And, depending on the plant, really is how that extract's going to look. Some plants are gonna not extract as well as others.